2014 Ford Focus 2.0 liter right side motor mount. 1 bolt, 2, 3, and 4. It's going to be a 15 millimeter right here, and I used an 11/16 right there. After you remove those, the whole mount should come out just like this. Remember to jack up the vehicle and use a wooden block, so that way you don't damage the underside of the engine. Reinstallation is in reverse order. You might have to jack up the vehicle a little bit more to line up the bolts and the studs. Loosely insert the bolts. Tighten to specifications. Once you've tightened them all, you can replace the coolant reservoir bottle. There's going to be 2 slots. 1, 2, go in that slot, and 1 in the back right there. Just line them up and make sure it's secure. And there you go. 2014 and up, 2.0 liter right side motor mount. Should be a piece of cake. Peace.